What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And today we are playing Don't Press the Button, which is basically a game called Don't Press the Button, but you actually have to keep pressing the button in order to keep playing the game. So, I'm guarding it. Yes, I gotta play it. Spinning. Haha. I don't have to. Haha. Hey, that's me over there. Die. No! That's me down there. Oh, I forgot to mention, I am now RoboTie, cause not RoboTie. I am now Robo French Fry, cause this is what is the source of my power, and it's almost dead. But it's charging, so yay! Haha. Oh hey, it's Thomas. I didn't know he was there. Hi. How does he have a taco? I want a taco. No. Get to the finish line. What's that? Oh, whoa, whoa. I feel like that guy in the that guy in the front is definitely gonna die. And never mind, I'm gonna die. Oh, and guys, thank you for watching this video, and thank you guys all for the new subscribers that I just noticed. Thank you so much, and well, please like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like my videos. Which I understand that I have some... Yeah, whatever. Oh! Who did that? Why? Oh no! Aliens! Oh hey, that's me over there. Button presser. Me. Yeah. And now we're getting abducted. Haha. That's me. It's me! It's me. Hello, me. Why am I so big? Like, did they create a... Mummy? What mummy? Mummy? Mummy! It's a mummy! No! No! Please don't get me. Please don't get me. I'm gonna go in here now. Bye bye. Haha, get noobed. Oh my gosh. He's getting so close. Ah! Is he dead? No, he's not dead. I'm gonna get to the top. Why do I keep going through? Why did you press the button? Haha, I'm the button presser now. Boing! No, hey, I thought I pressed the button. Never mind. Boing! Wee! Haha. No! Ow, that hurt. I like slammed the ground. How was I supposed to know that? No, let me back in! Let me back in! Get in the water? What water? I'm dying. No, I was literally right there. I was actually like right over there. Move! Okay, you guys choose first. I'm gonna choose blue side because it says it's blue up there. Yay. I'm gonna choose pink. No, I'm gonna choose yellow. This guy. Haha. Now we choose green. Oh no, green is the next one that's gonna fall. Haha. Yay, I won. Yes! I won! Score a goal. Okay. Let's go. It's in! Get it in! Guys, get it! Oh yeah, we have... Haha. No, we're on this team. No, why won't I get... Yeah. I want to score the goal. Yes, I scored it! Score! Let me score the goal! No! Ah, that hit my face. Where'd the button go? I clicked it like a mini spleef. What's spleef? Like a what? What was that? I know. So it's basically like every block you step on, it turns into lava. Make creeper. Make a creeper out of that. Yeah, you can like make shapes. Make a creeper. She's done. Slide down. Wait. Oh, why am I hitting my face? It's dragging my face. Oh! Oh, at least my robot part didn't die. Yay! I'm dying. Now, we're gonna guard the button, and I'm gonna press it. No! Get away! Watch out! Ah! Why does that keep happening to me? Oh no, there's a bomb! Was that supposed to happen? Haha. Get to the water. Okay. I need to get in the water. Haha, I'm in the water. Hey, I pressed. Why does it. Like, did everybody press the button at the same time? See, I pressed it this time. I'm gonna go to my statue. No, let me go to my statue. Hi, statue. That's me. Look at me like this. French fry lemonade. Whee! Whee! Oh! Oh, that hurt! Wait! Okay, I went like Super Santa for a second. Banana! Banana time! Boy, I'm in like a banana suit. I am a French fry. How dare you disrespect me? They should make a French fry suit. Oh my gosh, why is this guy so skinny? Get in the water. Okay. Wait, now we have bananas on forever? Why? Oh, well, I guess I was wearing the right yellow shirt for the occasion. Now I'm a banana. Now I look more like a banana. Why? I'm gonna... Oh, you. What's you? What is you? Watch out for that, mummy! It's a mummy! It's a mummy, it's a mummy. I don't like mummies. Because didn't have not watched one of the mummy movies, so I don't even... Oh, yeah, guys, sorry, but the burger cannot actually be here today. Maybe I should try and, text him or something. But I don't think he can be here today. I'm gonna... If you guys just, if you want me to put, if you want to see him, go to the, nah, never mind. Never mind that. Ow. Piece of tape on me. I was like, oh my gosh, FGT is in here. Oh my gosh. Choo choo, choo choo choo, choo choo. No, no, please, no. I can't move. I can't move. Why can't I move? Can I at least blast people? Yeah, I cannot. I think I'm stuck. Can you please abduct me, aliens? Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to reset. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. Uh-oh. Ah! I didn't know that was there. Is that like big thing of poop? I wanted to be like Indiana Jones. Again? Oh no no no! was big. Oh, I was like so close to falling off the map. Mummy. Why mummy again? I don't like mummies. You know what? I'm gonna stand by the coil guy. So portal gun? Oh, cool. I like portal guns. Shoot portals. Yeah. Guy, I am actually having a really hard time finding what to do on Roblox, because sometimes I don't want to replay games sometimes, and also I do want to replay them, but I also want good content. But if you want to request a game, then you can just you can just request it in the comment section. But okay, I'm almost. Yeah, haha, get noobed, guys. I'm on the top. She's gonna die. He's dead. He's already dead. I know he's drowning. She has to leave. Don't even take any last second chances. I think she's AFK, actually. Fish of the water, that was easy. They're dead. I'm gonna press the button this time. I'm gonna press it. I'm right here. I'm gonna keep pressing it. Yes, I got it. I pressed it. Choo. Haha, I got him. No! How dare my own friend betray me? No! I guess I might as well do an E-dance. Wait, when I work? Who's saying French fry? Oh, excuse me. Can I use the cart? French fry? No. At my cart. Yeah, you can get mad. How was I supposed to know that was gonna happen? Like, I automatically fell in. You know what, guys? I think we're actually gonna end the video here, because, yeah, I don't want to keep dying. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And, yeah. Taken from this guy. But adios.